Hello, my name is Edward Strelek, and today I will show you how to use AnySQL Modeler to load data from your database into FTP server in form of JSON document. We will start on InDesk page, going to Connect, Connection Point, and Add Connection Point of database type. We will define connection point name, then we will select AnySQL Modeler type. We will select correct database driver, in this case SQL Server, and then we will enter credentials. When this is done, we can press Test button to verify if we can connect to database. Then we can go to Documents tab. Then we will press Add Scenario button. We will check the scheduler. In this case, it's set to trigger every 1 day. And then we can press Edit button to enter AnySQL Modeler. Here we will define model name and document name. After that, we can start with the modeling itself by opening Add Objects panel. We can drag and drop the table into the modeling pane, select columns which should be part of result set, rename columns if needed, and then we can define filter to limit the result set. We will continue with drag and dropping another table over the existing table. It will automatically create join relationship, where we need to define the column which will be used in join statement. The same process will be used for remaining tables. We can use filter to limit number of columns. And also we can define join type. AnySQL Modeler has built-in preview functionality, allowing us to see dataset of the source table. And when modeling is finished, we can take a look at the result set. I will use validate function to verify that model is correct and save modeler. As you can see, we can also preview the result in a target format, which is in this case JSON new line delimited. And if we want to change that, we can go to settings, switch the format to JSON, for example. Result set is now in required JSON format, so we can go ahead and generate metadata for the document. By this, we will wrap up the modeling part of AnySQL Modeler. And we can go back and create new file connection point. Configure name, set FTP, define credentials. Then we will add new write scenario, select generated JSON document, and define FTP location and file name pattern. We will save file connection point. Then we will create document flow. We'll configure name, add database activity and file activity, and select created database connection point and file connection point. Then we select document, save document flow, and now we can activate it. And this is all from IN. Now we will take a look at the result on FTP. I'm using FTP client to connect to my FTP. I will navigate to right folder, and you can see the document with the file name pattern was created in the correct folder. And now I will show you the content of the file. The generated JSON file is created without white spaces, so I will use JSON format function so it's more readable to us. And you can see that records from database were loaded successfully in JSON format and placed into FTP folder. And this is all from this training video. So thank you for attention and see you next time.